Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
To split an A4 paper into 3 equal parts in Photoshop, first, open your document. Go to the ruler at the top. If it's not visible, enable it under View, Rulers. Right-click on the ruler and choose Centimeters. An A4 paper is 29.7 centimeters tall, so you'll divide this by 3 to get 9.9 centimeters. Then, click on the ruler and drag down to create a guide at 9.9 centimeters and another at 19.8 centimeters. This accurately divides your A4 into 3 equal sections. Use these guides to make your adjustments or cuts.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.